Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm really excited because today's the day we're finally going to get out that camera and start taking some pictures. So what I want you to do is get out that DSLR and I want you to move your switch to auto mode. The reason why I want to go into auto mode today is because we're going to let the camera automatically adjust all the settings for us, because today we want to work on composition. What's composition? Properly composing your shot. We're going to talk about how to compose the shot using the law of threes. I do a lot of family photography here on the island, so it's important that my subject is in the frame. A couple things to think about when you're composing a shot. You want your subject to be within the frame comfortably. So I'm kind of within my frame here. A couple things you don't want to do. You don't want to be too close. And you don't want to be too far away. So once you have your subject kind of where you want it, then you want to properly compose around that subject. But today, we're going to talk in general about landscape photography. In landscape photography, you have some general composition, and number one, we're going to start off with the law of threes. What is the law of threes? Here's an easy way to explain it. I have a picture of a cruise ship. The law of threes would state that I have an even amount of sky, subject, and then, in this situation, water. So you can see here that I have a nice even layering. I have 1, 2, 3, a nice even composition. In the next frame, what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate the law of threes, not only from top to bottom, but also from left to right. You can see in this frame, I have a good composition of top to bottom and from left, center, and right. But what I like to do is I like to add one more layer of the law of threes. I like to add dimension into my picture. What I want is for the image to reach out and grab the viewer. And in this final frame, what we're going to do is we're going to work on how to bring all of those things together and now give us an image that has the law of threes, not only from top, middle, and bottom, and left, center, right, but also background, center, and foreground. And now you can see that I've properly composed this shot, having the mountains in my background, these trees here in the center of my shot, and then the plants and the small trees off to the right here in the foreground. So this is what I look for when I compose a picture. We want to make sure that it has not only the multiple layers of the law of threes, but it's also something that's interesting and that your viewers will want to look at. So I want to thank everybody for following me on Instagram and my Facebook page. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll make sure that I get to them. I hope this has been informative for you guys, and we'll see you guys next time from Randy Sage Photography. Aloha.
Thank you.